Welcome back to Adventures and Rosé.
Yeah, welcome back. So today marks 3 months of us living full-time in this caravan. We're 3 months in, which is...
It's gone quick.
It's gone real quick.
Yeah. And we've got a bunch of new subscribers lately, so we thought we would do a bit of a Q&A.
Yeah, so if you've got a burning question for us, something we haven't covered off in one of the previous videos, then fire away below in the comments and we'll put another video out in a few days answering all your burning questions. Thank you as always for watching. Next video in a couple of days time, exploring Christchurch, so stay tuned for that and we'll answer your questions shortly.
See ya.
See ya.